Hello friends, good afternoon. I am Aradhya from class 5th. Our previous chapter was environment and our today's topic is pollution. Let's start our class. First, we learned that what is pollution. We know a thing is pollution. Pollution is anything. But what is pollution? When our surroundings become very dirty and cause a danger to living beings, this condition is called pollution. What is pollution? When our surroundings become very dirty and cause a danger to health of living beings, this condition is called pollution. Then, what are the type of pollution? The types of pollution there are three types of pollution. There are air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. First, what is air pollution? When the percentage concentration of oxygen O2 become less and percentage concentration of carbon dioxide CO2 become more, this condition is called air pollution. Because there is 100% of gases and the 100% gases of them 78% only is nitrogen, and of 100% only 21% is oxygen, and carbon dioxide is 0.03% and other gases is 0.7%. Understood? Then what are the causes, harms and sources of air pollution? The causes of air pollution are population, vehicles, global warming, coal burning, forest fire. What are the causes of air pollution? Global warming, population, vehicles, coal burning and forest fire. And what are the sources of air pollution? The sources of air pollution or main parts of air pollution are PM 2.5, PM 10, CO2, CO and SO2. Understood? Then what are the harms of air pollution? The harms of air pollution are health, monsoon pattern, our ecosystem and agriculture. Right friends? Then we know that what is air pollution. But what are which cities are or which states are polluted of India? The polluted cities of India are Delhi, Kanpur, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Patna, etc. etc. In India there are many cities that are polluted. And then what is the role of government to decrease air pollution? First, our health minister, Mr. Harshvardhan, organized an app. Its name is Safar app. In this, you see that if the color is green, the air quality is few, and when the color is yellow, the air pollution is more, and when the color is red, then the air pollution is danger. Understood? What I said? If green, few, yellow, more, and red, danger. Then what are the initiative by government? The initiative by government are green crackers, which are burned on Diwali, and parking charge increase, solar energy, use of clean fuels like CNG, PNG and LPG. The CNG full form is compressed natural gas and LPG liquefied petroleum gas. Then our air pollution is completed. understood the air pollution causes, air pollution harms, main parts of air pollution, and role of government. Then what is water pollution? When the waste from industries and factories thrown into the water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, etc., and the water bodies get polluted, this condition is called water pollution. What is water pollution? When the garbage from factories and industries thrown into the water bodies and water bodies get polluted, these are called water pollution. Then what are the causes of water pollution? What are the causes of water pollution? The causes of water pollution are garbage, idols, population, shapes, and plastic. What are the causes of air pollution? The causes of air pollution are population, shape, plastic, garbage, and idols. Then what are the harms of water pollution? The harms of water pollution are death of aquatic animals, disease like cholera, diarrhea, and minimeta. Minimeta is due to mercury. Then what is land pollution? What is land pollution? Land pollution is a destruction. Land pollution is destruction of land of Earth's land surfaces indirectly as a result of man's activities and their misuses of the land resources. What is pollution? Land pollution is a destruction of Earth's land surfaces indirectly as a result of man's activities and their misuses of land resources. And one thing also, when there will be land pollution, there is sea, the garbage thrown into the sea, and when water and the sun, when the water appear in the air and make cloud, these clouds were dirty because the garbage, the dirty water appears and dirty water. Then first land pollution, then water pollution, then in the last is land pollution. Then it is responsibility for us to decrease land pollution. If we decrease land pollution, it will be decrease water pollution and air pollution both. Then we are on the causes of air pollution. The causes of land pollution are pesticides, fertilizers, pesticides and fertilizers. The farmers uses these ingredients for making their crops better and good crops. Then these fertilizers and pesticides make the soil damaged, and then the land pollution. And the other types and other type of land pollution for farmers are original farmers. They use compost out of pesticides and oil of neem tree inside of fertilizers. And what are the harms of land pollution? The harms of land pollution are ecosystem, vegetation, and health. What are the harms of land pollution? Are vegetation, health, and ecosystem. You know what is ecosystem? I have explained it in my previous video. Please see it and like my all videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.